Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shekhar's Education and Travel channel. And in keeping with the spirit of my channel, I will take you today on a travel to Liechtenstein, a small country in Europe which is part of the European Union. Liechtenstein is a German speaking, 25-kilometer long principality between Austria and Switzerland. It's known for its medieval castles, alpine landscapes, and villages linked by a network of trails. The capital, Vaduz, a cultural and financial center, is home to Kunstmuseum Liechtenstein, which has galleries of modern and contemporary art, and the Post Museum displays Liechtenstein's postage stamps. Besides this, there are several other museums of interest and vineyards which you can visit, and there are city trains varying from 35 minutes tour onwards which can show you the country very well. So it's a very good country to visit, having a very good climate, comfortable climate, and lot of tourists are coming there, tourism being a very major activity there. It is a principality, friends, as I said, and it is a German speaking state, already I said. It is situated in the Alps and in the southwest of Central Europe. The extensive powers of prince here are equivalent to those of a president in a semi-presidential system. And it is bordered by Switzerland to the west and south and Austria to the east and north. It is Europe's fourth smallest country, friends, and the area is just over 160 square kilometers, and population is hardly 38,749. It is divided into 11 municipalities, and the capital is Vaduz, which is the largest municipality, which is Shan. Shan is the largest municipality. And though very small in size in terms of area, economically it has one of the highest GDPs per person in the world when adjusted for purchasing power parity. And the financial sector in the country is very strong, and once it was known as a billionaire tax haven, but is no longer on any blacklist of uncooperative tax haven countries. An alpine country, it is mountainous, making it a winter sport destination. It is member of United Nations, European Free Trade Association, and the Council of Europe. Although not a member of the European Union, it participates in both the Schengen area and the European Economic Area. So these are the specifics of Liechtenstein, friends. And there is a beautiful city train which already I said you can take it to see from close quarters this beautiful country. So now we will show you some photographs. After that we will take the city train tour. Before we board the city train, friends, we will go over to the Liechtenstein castle. This is the castle, magnificent one, you can see, situated at a height, at an elevated level. It has an old world charm, different angles you can see it from, and on return these are the vineyards, and we reach Vaduz, the capital of Liechtenstein, where the city train awaits us. So this is the city train about to board. This is about the city train starting from the city center. And this is the engine, friends. You can see Dotto train written there. This is a house of the royal family. One of the family members lived there. Now it is closed. You can see the magnificent statue and a fountain. This is a Liechtenstein center, friends. There is another important monument of Vaduz, capital of Liechtenstein. There is VP Bank of Liechtenstein, and this is Quarter Interior Architect Office. Now we are going in the city train.
जब हम राउंड अबाउट पे पहुंचेंगे तो आप दाईं तरफ सेंट फ्लोरिन कैथीड्रल देख सकते हैं। गिरजाघर के साथ में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर प्रसिद्ध संगीतकार योसेफ गैब्रियल का जन्म स्थान है और उसी के सामने उनका एक स्मारक खड़ा है। अब हम स्टेट स्क्वायर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, जहां पे एक सरकारी इमारत स्थित है और उसी के पास
बैठा करते थे। और अब ये लिechtenstein का
नेशनल म्यूजियम,
नई प्रदर्शनियां
वाडूज,
पुरातात्विक निष्कर्षों, लोकगीत, रीति रिवाज, प्राकृतिक और क्षेत्रीय पढ़ाई की जानकारी देती हैं। साथ ही साथ लिechtenstein की उत्पत्ति से लेकर अभी तक की कहानी भी सुनाती है। समय से होते हुए लिechtenstein के राजकुमार और सामान्य नागरिकों का खजाना है। यहाँ पे आप शाही ताज, प्रदेश का एप्पल ब्लॉसम लेक और एक मौलिक मूनस्टोन भी देख सकते हैं।
You can see the reflection of the train. This Kunst Museum, Liechtenstein.
शेरवानी Mont Blanc वॉच कलेक्शन देखे
Another landmark. Friends, if you have liked this video on Liechtenstein, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and press the bell button also. I strive to bring you the best of places in India and abroad, to entertain you and also to enable you to know the places in detail if ever you want to visit those places. So thanks a lot for watching. Good night. Bye bye.